Hi you guys, today I'm at my ranch while I said there is stuff I have some farm animals. So one of them is a bunny. So see that bunny? See that bunny? Oh, you see that bunny? You see that bunny? See that bunny? Okay, I have lots of food on it. Oh, there's the other one too, I think. Oh, never mind. The other one's gone. I don't know what happened to her. Well, who cares? Because I hardly come here not, so yeah. I don't know. It's been a long, since this break I've been like busy. In this break I've been busy. But some like, ooh, I gotta show you this. My dog. So one of them is over there. I could see mine. So two of them, they're two people's, and then this is mine. Two. Hi, cuckoo. Hi, cuckoo. And then there's some under that blue thing. But yeah. Oh, and I have some. Hi, cuckoo. So yeah. How about all the fish? How about the big fish? Boya, where's Lily? Boya! Sorry, guys, I'm calling my dad. Not my dad, my uncle. Boya, where's Lily? The thing's open. The corral is open and there's no Lily.
Ahí está Lily.
No.
Ahorita te lo enseño.
I used to have cows, goats, ponies, 2 horses, 2 ponies, lots of goats. And I have ducks. I don't know if I can show you them today, the ducks, about that, but yeah. And I have a cow. I have a baby cow. So cute. The baby cow is so cute. My baby cow is so cute right now. That's my horse. That goat was right there. That goes my goat. Here you go. Here you go, Barbar. And this is my cow. I have to go inside there to show you the rest of my, but that's my cow. But yeah. So basically, I don't know what to do right now. Like, only have this. Oh, I think I could show you the dog. Through. What? There's a dog. There's my dog. Yes. So when we have them, they have a bird. Hello, what's your name? Do you talk? That bird does not
Para que
talk.
los pongas
¿Un qué?
un platito por ahí tirado.
Plato.
Para que los pongamos a los chickens.
Our chickens? Cause someone. Wait, Boya, are these ours? I got you. Some of them are messed up, so I can't tell which ones are ours. Some of here are not ours. So I forgot to tell you that. But yeah. So some here are not ours. Just give them in that white thing. Give them in that. Oh yeah, I forgot we have ducks. I think I said that. I don't know. But yeah, we have ducks. I have bad angle right now because I don't have my camera right now. I have my phone right now. So yeah. Hi, cuckoo. I'm a cuckoo. I'm a cuckoo. I can't find one. I'm a cuckoo. I'm a cuckoo. That was my favorite out of the other ones. Oh, and I have the wiener doggies. I think I still have the wiener dog. I don't know. Because basically they give away some of my animals because they had to. So I can't tell which ones are wiener dogs. I can't tell if I still have them because I haven't been here basically.
Ahorita le venimos y le echamos a esta.
Literally, no está ahí Lily. Literally. I think I can zoom into it. Can I? Yeah, I can't. But over there, there's supposed to be. Let me go. Over there, like, focus camera. Over there, where that thing is over there, there's supposed to be a horse. Where's my other horse? Where's my other horse? Oh, I can zoom into my horse's face. Look at my horse. All of my horses are girls, so I don't have any boys. So, what are you doing? Can you talk? Hi, Lulu. 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 Is your name Lulu? Yes, it is. Hi, Lulu. Hi. Hi, Lulu. Is your name Lulu? Huh? What? Do I give these to the gallinos?
No, me gusta ya.
¿A los ducks? Yeah. See that goat right there? That's my goat. Can't tell if these are mine. I have the same ones. Oh, I found her! She's not in there. She's in that big one. So I found my big horse. Guys, I found it.
Open.
There. Man! See, these are my goats and my ponies and my big horse. See, my pony is right there. There's a pony over there, but that one's not ours. That one's somebody else's. And then the big horse is over there. How to get good angle? Because my phone and then my camera, basically just have my camera's not here. Couldn't bring my camera to here because I could break it here. Too much. Hello, too much. I have ducks too, guys. So check that in a minute. I don't have angle. I don't have angle. Hi, Lily. See, that one's mine. That little one right there is not. That one's mine. That one isn't. And guys, I'm 13 here. I'm just kidding. No, I'm 11. My dogs are over there. That's Lulu. Lulu. I'm not Lulu. Lily. 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 Is that her name? I forgot. Yeah, it is. Lily. Why do I want her to kick me? Lila. So I'm going to go to my ducks right now. My ducks are literally in front of my face and in front of the camera. So don't judge me. ¿Qué? ¿Cuál amarillo? That one? There's two. ¿El que no tiene agua? I don't know how to open it. Okay. My ducks. The food. So basically, you guys, I'm gonna have to do this for a little bit, cause you have to do this. Who doesn't have ducks in a farm? Oh my god, this is zoomed in, guys. This is zoomed in. Well, I'm gonna have to go, guys. So yeah.